Meet Sam. He's a manager at Batteries R Us, a company that sells used electric vehicle batteries for new applications. Right now, it takes Sam 6 hours to test a used battery, but business is booming. Batteries are coming in faster than he can test them. Seeing how stressed Sam was, his manager Clara recommends he check out an innovative tool by a company called ReJoule's. ReJoule's says they can test used EV batteries in minutes. Sam just doesn't believe it. Clara calls Steven from ReJoule's, who gives Sam a demo about how their cutting-edge technology allows accurate tests in less than 5 minutes. And even better, results are shown in real time. Instead of just a pass-fail, ReJoule's tool provides an estimated grade for the battery's health. And that's exactly what Sam needed. With Steven and ReJoule's help, Sam clears through his batteries 300 times faster than before. ReJoule's stands out with our experience testing large amounts of used EV batteries, including a currently active repurposing project in Southern California, as well as our innovative and proven technology which works with any battery chemistry and level of voltage. And finally, our deep understanding of the battery value chain helps us build strong partnerships to take advantage of the growing used EV battery market. We're supported by some of the most amazing organizations, all on a mission to accelerate our push for a cleaner future. With ReJoule's, you can maximize the value of every battery. Contact us today to learn more, and thank you so much for watching.